Kimberzelic here. Apparently I forgot to push record. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of show the results, and this will be the first time I'm seeing this as well. And then I'll take this thing apart and show you what I did. So we've set up kind of a milling situation on the lathe. If this tube is right, I got a 5/16 4-flute center cut double end mill. It's Illinois tool and instrument division. Okay, I got a little piece of aluminum in here. I've touched off. Need some more light. I've touched off there and made a cross coming this direction. I think that's a climb milling. So I have the clock set up on here for my travel. So I'm really going to try maybe just 3 1/1007 inch, if I can do that. Well, we're going to do 4.5 or 5. There we go. We're going to do 6. Let me lock the carriage side. Okay, so here we go. As far as my experience goes, I have none doing this, but I think I'm supposed to go kind of slow as far as RPMs. So this is, we're going to call this 400 RPMs. See chips falling down. I guess I'm going to go a little faster with my feed. Okay, I'm going to go back over it and see if we can't get a look at it. Okay, almost nothing. So let's go ahead and unlock this, and let's try to do 10 1/1000s. So there's 11. Find my thing and lock that. Okay. Sorry about the handheld thing, but that's just... Okay. We're at 400, 108, 400 RPMs. Okay, I'm going as fast as I can now. Okay, we back it back. Okay. We have made a groove in the metal. So let's, that was supposedly 10. So I'm going to re-zero this out. And I'm going to try 25. Make sure I'm so well 30. Let's try 30. Okay, I'm gonna go back to where were we before? 400. Okay. I'm going to start off a little slower than the first time. Okay, I'm pretty pleased with that. Let's unlock this. Let's get rid of this. Pull this thing back. Let's get that out of there. I seem to have successfully milled on my lathe. Kind of happy with that. Okay, let's go over on how I did it. Okay. I'm not sure if you were here when we mounted this to the plate, but this is pretty obvious so far. One thing that was not aware of, or had at least caused me to stumble a bit, was attaching this plate to my cross slide. So this is threaded with 1/4 20. So I threaded, well, I have some 1/4 20 holes in here already for other fixtures, and I had to drill and tap one for this one. Apparently you can't thread through this and then engage a second hole and batten that down without having some rock or a gap. So I attempted to drill some through holes through this. Well, this stuff's hardened. It's hardened. I don't have a drill bit in my arsenal that would come close to doing this. I put some MAP gas on it. Figured I might be able to temper it down. I've had success with that in the past on this item. But not so much luck on this item. So then it occurred to me that I had the wrong Allen wrench. Then it occurred to me that I could alter the screw. To make it work.